welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at a tried and true floor plan. This is a Coleman 262BH, and it is a great little floor plan that's been around for a very long time. So this is the Coleman Lantern series. This trailer weighs in at about 6,000 pounds, has about 1,500 pounds of cargo capacity. We've got our Lippert solid step, our black steel rims, backup camera, power awning, those traditional items. Let's really take a quick look inside. Now, in Coleman fashion, we have our sofa sleeper with the footrest so you can kick back and relax. We've got a nice dinette in here Coleman has put in. Now, this is a double over double bunk scenario. So whether you have kids, young kids or grown kids, you've got space in here to be able to put them. Nice storage, big pantry right next to the fridge. They're using the 12-volt stainless steel Everchill fridge and freezer. So I'll open this up. It's a 10 cubic foot fridge. You can see right here. Microwave on top, our 3-burner range with the glass top that simply flips and folds out of the way and becomes part of your backsplash. Our range with the lit knobs, and of course decent little oven. Good storage for a camper, nice double sink, and then some storage with glass inserts above. Just gives it a little more upper scale feel. We also have a central spot for our TV to be mounted and our radio on board. As we peek around, we have a queen size bed with wardrobes, hello everyone, on both sides, and a shelf above the bed as well, and then a window for light there and an emergency exit. Oh, sorry, this is a regular window with screen on this side. Now there's USBs and power plugs, 110 plugs on both sides of the bed as well. So it's a nice little unit. This has been a tried and true floor plan. If you're getting into the industry, you're just getting started, you're looking for something in that 26-foot range, relatively decent weight. So if you have a half-ton pickup, you don't have to have a massive pickup to tow this, and you can get out with the family at a reasonable budget point and enjoy. And that's what the RVing lifestyle is all about. Anyways, this is just a quick look at a tried and true floor plan. Thanks for coming back to the channel. We appreciate you taking the time. If you like the video, click the like button. Please hit the subscribe button as we're pushing to 10,000 subscribers. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure you live life to the fullest and look for me out in the campgrounds. Hopefully we'll cross each other's paths. Take care.